You know who really loves fresh food? Amateur chefs, stay-at-home parents, salad lovers, barbecuers, smorgasborders, hors d'oeuvres.
Amber Alert: the following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Department of Public Safety. This is a child abduction alert issued by the Texas Amber Alert Network. The Mesquite Police Department is searching for Nada Crockett, black, female, 8 months old, brown hair, brown eyes. Police are looking for Chinelia Crockett, black, female, 30 years old, 5 feet 6 inches tall, 172 pounds, brown hair, brown eyes, and wearing a gray shirt, blue jeans, with brown or black boots, in connection with her abduction. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Mesquite Police Department at 972-216-6241. News media point of contact is Mesquite Police Department at 972-216-6241.
Fondue and flambeurs, midnight snackers, brown baggers.